Hey everyone, Merry Christmas! And this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful pop-up card. It is a pop-up Christmas tree card, and it's just a fun little surprise that you can give your loved ones. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I want to give you a free welcome bundle. Just make sure to stick around till the very end and I will let you know how you can get access to that free bundle. All right, so I've got all of my pieces cut out. I have got some precision glue. This is the Barely Art precision glue. And I also have some AdTech Crafters tape. And then I've got all of my pieces cut out. Now, I did do some scoring, so if you don't know how to do scoring, I do have a video that shows you guys how to do that. You'll want to score along the lines that are indicated in this project. Now, this file is available to my VIP Crafters Club members. And so if you're not a member, go ahead and check that out. There is a link in the description box below. This is also available for purchase as well. All right, so I've got this base layer here, this little gold piece that I've got here, and I have glued the tab to the other side. And you can see that there's a tab and it kind of forms a square. And then there are also two other tabs at the bottom. And those two little tabs are actually going to fit on these pieces of white cardstock in these 45-degree angles over here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those two pieces of cardstock and I am going to glue those two tabs right on the inside of those pieces. So I'm just going to grab my glue here, dab just a tiny piece on there, and then I am going to go ahead and fold that tab down. Hold it for a second or two. This glue is fairly quick drying, which is really good, and it does hold really well, and I love the precision tip that it has. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Now it's going to feel a little bit flimsy just because those pieces are not glued down onto anything else. They're not secured onto anything else, but we will be taking those white pieces of cardstock and we will be securing those to the red outer layer of the card. But for now, just go ahead and glue those two tabs. All right, so it should look something like this. We've got kind of like a square, almost like a box. And this is going to sort of be the base for our Christmas tree. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take those two white pieces of cardstock. We're going to fold them together, like as if we're closing the card. And then we'll just go ahead and center this. I'm going to take my AdTech Crafters tape and I'm going to apply some of my glue tape here. And then I'm going to take my red card and I'm just going to fold it over so that now it is adhering to that glue tape that I just applied. And then as I pull it open, it's glued on that right side over there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. Add some AdTech Crafters tape here. And then I'm going to fold over the left side. And so now when I open it up, you can see that I've got this little box that kind of pops open. And so now I'm going to set that aside. And then what I'm going to do, I've got a couple of different layers of this Christmas tree. I've got the gold layers that are on the inside. And then I've got the green layers that are on the outside. So you can see that I'm sort of just matching the pieces together. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to glue the green pieces. Each green piece should sort of fit over a gold piece. And one thing to keep in mind is that those pieces that have the stars on them actually have green on the front as well as on the back, because those pieces are visible from both sides. So there should be a green piece on the front and a green piece on the back of the star layers. All right, so now I have all of my Christmas tree pieces glued together. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the piece that has the 3 slits on the top with the star, and I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to place that inside of that box. Now there are some slits in the box that should match the slits on the bottom of the Christmas tree, and it should be able to stand up straight. Then I'm gonna take the other piece with the star, and it has a slit in the center on the bottom, and I'm going to slide that crisscross down so that it crosses with the other piece. And then there's also some slits on the bottom that should match up with the bottom box. And then now I've got my bottom pieces, or my outer pieces of the Christmas tree. I'm going to take the piece that has the 1 slit on the bottom and the 2 slits on the top. And then what I'm going to do, you could just pick any corner, it doesn't really matter which one. And then you'll kind of push that into one of the top slits of the Christmas tree. And then you're going to take the identical side, the identical piece, and you're going to put it on the opposite side. And then now you're going to take the other pieces that have the 3 slits on the bottom, and you're going to take those, and they should fit on the opposite sides, on the other sides. So there's only one side remaining that doesn't have pieces. You're just going to go ahead and place those right on top, and then just push those down. Now it does take a little bit of fiddling just to get it just right, but once you get it, you will have you'll have the pieces that cross, which are the pieces with the stars, and then you'll have 4 pieces on the outside that kind of fit nicely against each other. And once those pieces all fit together, you should be able to close this pop-up and open it right back up again. And that's it. I hope that you guys had fun making this and giving this to your loved one. If you are one of my amazing VIP Crafters Club members, you already know that this cut file is available for you to download free with your membership. I have included a link in the description for you to access that easily. And if you are not yet a member of VIP Crafters Club, don't worry, you can still get access to this file. All you have to do is visit the link in the description box to purchase this file directly, or better yet, why not join this incredible community with thousands of other crafters. VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly crafting subscription. You will get access to all of these amazing crafts that you're seeing on your screen right now. It's perfect for beginner and experienced Cricut and Silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial, including how to upload and set up the SVG files in Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studio, so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish, something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or Silhouette. You'll get lots of amazing projects and cut files that's going to build your confidence with using your machine. Every month there is something new. My members tell me that it feels like Christmas morning every single month. And plus, small business commercial use is allowed because I love to see my members earning money selling the crafts that they make using my cut files. Totally optional, but just something I like to throw in there in case you are somebody who has a small business. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together via Zoom. We have fun, we laugh, we share our creations. It is really a wonderful, tight-knit community with some of the most amazing group of crafters that you will ever know. We all get to craft with each other, and it's just such a really special thing to be a part of. So I hope that you'll consider crafting right along with us. And it does not cost much. The monthly fee is less than a trip to McDonald's. So check it out, and also be sure to check the description box for a special link and a coupon code so that you can save even more. So go ahead, check it out. I hope that you'll join us, and I look forward to crafting with you. If you are new to my channel, I would love to gift you this free welcome bundle. All you have to do is go to my website at betterlifeblog.com/welcome, and you will get to download this free bundle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something new. And if you did, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to get notified whenever I post a new video, go ahead and ring that cute little bell. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new from this video. I hope that you found it interesting, and I hope that you'll come back and see some more of my videos. Below are a couple of fun videos for you to watch. I hope that you'll enjoy, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.